This Draculaura has green eyeshadow and bright red lipstick, and she's wearing 2 cute pigtails. Her bathing suit is black and white striped with pink bats and ruffle trim. And her shoes are jelly pink wedges. She also comes with some super cute accessories, like this pink bat-shaped beach bag, tiny pink sunscreen, how cute, 500 SPF, you know, because she's a vampire. She even has a black towel with pink bats on it. She also comes with these cool bat-wing sunglasses. And now Draculaura is ready for the beach. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe. Have a great day. See you next time.